In the last 24 hours, the complete crypto market has seen a bloodbath, with the total market cap of the cryptocurrencies declining by more than 5%, and in the top 10, all of them have been bleeding. But is it only because of the tweet from Elon Musk, or was there something happening in the Bitcoin chart? Stay tuned to today's video and find out more.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram and join our family on Telegram. The link is given in the description below and it's completely free of cost. So, in the last 24 hours, the complete crypto market cap has seen a bloodbath, right? Wherein Bitcoin has corrected by more than 5%, Dogecoin has corrected by close to 10%, Polkadot by more than 10%, right? So in the top 10, there's all the currencies have been bleeding except for the USDC, which is a stable coin, okay? So was it only because of this tweet from Elon Musk when he tweeted a heartbreak emoji against Bitcoin and he posted a meme saying that he had broken up with Bitcoin? Was it only because of this tweet? Or was there something lying in the charts as well? So people are saying that Elon Musk has been manipulating the crypto market in the past and in the present time as well. So we'll try to have a look at that as well in the chart. So let's jump onto the charts. So currently we are on the Bitcoin US dollar 4-hour chart right here, and this is the triangle which we have been forming ever since the 19th of May. So many people, while drawing this triangle, they consider the wick, some people consider the body of the candle, but irrespective of whether you consider the wick or the body, this is a triangle, and this is one of the copybook or textbook triangles that I have seen in some time, right? Because we have multiple touch points on the upper side, we have multiple touch points on the lower side as well, and the most recent touch on the lower side was this wick today at 12 p.m. UTC time. Now, what important thing that I would like to highlight right here is this rising wedge was getting formed on the 4-hourly time frame, and we were expecting a correction. We had tweeted about this as well, as you can see right here. So yesterday we tweeted about it that Bitcoin is showing signs of weakness. So we were expecting this kind of a correction, if not more. What was the target of this rising wedge? As we know, the rising wedges are bearish in nature. So what was the target for this rising wedge? Let us do a quick measurement of that. So we'll just measure from the top to this bottom and we will place it right on top of it. So as we can see, these candles, the 12 a.m. UTC candle, the 4 a.m. UTC candle, the 8 a.m. UTC candle, and of course the current UTC candle which is getting printed, has hit the target to the T, to the dollar, right? We had a long wick down as well, so we had tweeted about this as well, saying that we might see a downside of 35k levels as well. So if you are not following us on Twitter, make sure you do follow us, because that is where we post all the real-time updates from the world of cryptocurrencies. The link is given in the description below. Jumping back to this chart, so we had hit this to the dollar, and now let's find out what are the key support and the resistance areas. So the key support for us is at about $36,460. As you can see, we tried breaking below it already 3 times today, and the resistance is of course at about $37,175 or so. So in the past we have tried breaking it multiple number of times. As we can see, we came down and we got support right on the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is close to at about 35,750. Then we again rose, and this time we broke above this thing, and then again, because of this tweet and because of this rising wedge pattern, we fell below it again, and currently holding this 50% Fibonacci level, which is at about 36,460 as a strong support. We will need to see whether we test this 35,740 level once more, because that is a key support area for us. Personally speaking, I am expecting a body of a candle to eventually come down to these levels as well, right? If we go to the EMA ribbon, we will be able to see that we had broken above the EMA ribbon on the date of 2nd of June. Then we got again rejected, and this time this EMA ribbon will act as a resistance, as it did for quite few sometimes, as we can see in the past as well. So the next few days of this week, we could see Bitcoin struggling in this zone between 35,750 to about 37,200 level or so. So if we are able to break above this, that could mean another breakout possible. But from this large triangle or this large pennant that is getting formed, quite honestly, we have given you our price targets. Our price targets remain the same. On the top, it is close to $50,000. On the downside, if we break down, it will be close to $22,000. And a word of caution from my side, this is a bearish pennant that is getting formed. Okay, so we should always be prepared for the downside risk. And I believe if Bitcoin does not crosses above the $43,000 mark within the next week or two, then the death cross is imminent, which will mark the beginning of the bear market, or shall I say, it will put the final nail in the coffin for Bitcoin as far as this market cycle is concerned. Now on the daily chart, what we can see right here is we have actually broken below this EMA ribbon, and we tried to break above this. We went right to the 20-week SMA where we got rejected. Now we are again going down, and as far as the daily chart is concerned, that the support is right down at about 34,545 and then straight down to 29,641, which is the lowest that we touched on the 19th of May. So what are the things that we are expecting from Bitcoin for the next few days to come? We are expecting a bit of sideways movement again between the $35,000 and $37,000 or the $38,000 for that matter. And if this week is concerned, we told you in one of our earlier videos as well that if we just follow the 2013 bar patterns, then this week could be a red week. Currently this week is in green, as we all can see right here. This is a green week, and if we close this week below 35,676, then this week could be a red week. So keep this level in mind. I think we will be closing somewhere close to that, and if we do that, that could be, this candle could very well become a gravestone doji candle. And as we know, the gravestone doji candle is known to be a trend reversal candle and also starts the move to the downside. So you need to be cautious on your trades. Do follow us on our Telegram channel where we discuss all kinds of strategies for absolutely free of cost. If you have any questions, either me or someone from the community would definitely help you out. The link is given in the description below. If you'd like to discuss with me personally on a one-on-one call, that is also possible. The link for my personal Telegram is also given in the description below. And more importantly, you need to follow us on Twitter, because that is where all the real-time updates are coming from generally. So that's pretty much it about this video. Stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel. That gives us the motivation to create more content for you, and you need to stay tuned to our channel because there are some great content that is coming out. We would try to do a price prediction for Bitcoin using the Elliott wave theory. Yes, we would be doing that as well. So in the upcoming videos also, we had asked our community which is one coin they would like to see our price prediction, and that was chosen as Matic. So a price prediction for Matic is also coming up. Lot more content is also coming up. Also do let us know in the comment below what are some of the contents that you would like us to cover in the channel, and we would be happy to do that for you. So that's pretty much it about this video. Share this video across your friends and family. Let them know of the upcoming death cross in the Bitcoin charts, and more importantly, let them know about Bitcoin, because we need to raise the awareness about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has the chance to change people's lives. Ask this to the people in countries like Zimbabwe, Colombia, Argentina, wherein they are having hyperinflation, right? So crypto is a deflationary asset and it has the power to change your life lives, or at least maintain our life standard if we are to face a hyperinflation like these countries are facing. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.